Systems Online. You're watching Cyborg Reactor. Let's dive into the tech and viral madness currently breaking the internet. Zero to 60 in under 2 seconds on water. This is crazy speed. Some of them running smooth, others fighting for their life. Big difference in programming. Baby. If this is what robots can do after only 2 years of racing, I can only imagine by 2030.
Yeah, dude!
Go, dude!
What? I knew it!
Go.
Yeah!
2, 3, 4.
That's crazy.
2, 3, 4.
Real quick, tap like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.
Check this out. That's like your pickup bed.
And it slowly closes. Alright, come this way. First off, check out these wheels. But the best part is the inside. There, you have a secret door. And that comes up. This lifts up. This becomes a table. Coffee machine. Hidden TV. And there's a touch screen. And that right there is for your champagne.
Yeah, this ain't the future anymore. This is already loading up.
What do you guys think?
This gives a whole new meaning to the phrase, riding dirty. That's a lot of bacon for one small engine. Man, I can barely stay on a board when it's on flat concrete. would love to try this, just to see if I could make it past the first jump, but I'd definitely bring a spare change of clothes. This is the first time I've seen a superbike show up in a box. Unboxing this must feel like Christmas. I'm curious to see how that 3-cylinder holds up against the classic inline 4s.
The key matching to the paint job. Look at that. Now in here, watch this. Pops open and you have your very own compartment for your helmet. Look at this! How cool is that? Right here with this button. This is the magic button. Ready? There we go. Look at this! You have got a massive wind deflector straight out of the front of your car. Start stop button. Here we go.
Humans are strange. And a reaction. Like and subscribe for more. See you!